Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mulberry Silk Hub. Namaskar, আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ channel Mulberry Silk Hub লৈ পুনৰবাৰ স্বাগতম. Today in this video we will show you a main set with Riha. It's a designer set which was ordered with custom specification by a client who wanted to gift this particular set to her niece for her big day. So her niece stays in US and the client wanted us to dispatch this particular parcel to US. So let us show you the whole process, how we pack our items and how we dispatch them. So this is the blouse piece and the clients wanted this blouse to be a contrast one, so we gave a red blouse which was heavily worked with golden jari. Then we have this Riha. As you all know, like Riha is a special Assamese apparel which is worn for every auspicious occasion for any traditional Assamese function. So this is the Riha. Now let us show you a small glimpse of how the set looks. This is the mekla and we have the designs all over the mekla, and you can see how the designs are different from the mekla border to the knee length. And I'll show you the shine of the cloth. We give silk mark with lab tested barcode along with each set for any custom design that we do. And this is the chadar. The same design we have on the chadar as well. And we are trying to show you a small clip how the set looks, because we don't want to display the whole set, because as it is custom made we don't want the design to be copied. So that's the reason we are just showing you a part of the set before we dispatch it or pack it for delivery. And we have made it ready to wear. You can see the tassels here, and also like we give silk mark testing. So I'll show you how we give. This is the barcode and we test it from Swalkusi Silk Testing Laboratory, and this is the silk mark that we give for every set that we do custom design. And now let us show you how we dispatch our parcels. Let's get started with the packaging now. So this is the complete set that we are gonna ship, and we have a sari cover here. We want to seal it completely before sending it, because it has to go a long way. Firstly we'll place the mekla. So this is the this is this chadar that we are placing, and then we have the mekla. We'll place the mekla now, and then we have the blouse and the Riha. So we have placed all the three items inside the sari cover, and the client specially mentioned to send her a note to her niece, and therefore we have placed two notes, one from her aunt and one from our team, wishing her all the best for her new life that she will be starting. And we have sealed the whole cover, and we'll place this particular sari cover inside a POD bag so that it's completely sealed and there is no chance of like the set getting damaged, because although it will reach within a week, but we have to be careful. So we have placed it here, and the delivery guy from DHL has also arrived, so he has given us another POD bag. And so we'll place so it's like 3 layers of packaging that we do before we send it to the courier. This is mainly because we want to take all precautions, and secondly I would also like to mention that we have shipped this parcel from Hyderabad, because from Assam the shipping charges was quite high. Like they were charging around 7,000 for 2 kgs of like consignment weight, but from Hyderabad the charges were comparatively very less. Like for this set we were charged 3,500. So the charges, it all depends on the weight. Like if you have 5 to 6 items together and it will weigh like cumulative weight is around 10 kgs, then per kg we need to pay only 700 rupees. But if it is like less than 10 kgs, then it's like per kg you have to pay 2,500 or so. And this whole shipment now has gone from India to California, and we were trying to track them online as well. And the best part is it arrived within 4 days from the time we dispatched it. We dispatched it on a Saturday, and they have received it on the next Wednesday, the coming Wednesday. So the client has received the parcel, and we requested them to share us a parcel opening video. So this is the video that the client has made. I have attached the clip here as well to show that how fast the delivery is and how the packaging and everything went, and the client was really very happy with the packaging as well as the set that we have sent, and she has sent us this opening video. So many of you inquire us whether we ship outside Assam or outside India. So this is a small video for you all to show like how we do the packaging and how we send it across the globe. So we were very happy to see that the parcel reached as it is, like there were no damage. And since DHL is a trusted courier service, so we were sure, but since like it's for her big day and we don't want her to be disappointed with any damages like it could have caused during the transit, but hope like as we were wishing, and it was delivered soon and in complete good condition. So these are the note from her aunt. We are just not showing you the note because these are all personal messages and we don't want to make it public, so that's why we have hidden that particular message. And then we have this note which we have sent from our team. Hope you all have got a view of how we dispatch our parcels.